Set A and Section C Humanities to start with. Uh, the first question is like which of the following is are wrongly matched. I have gone through this. I was not pretty sure about the correct answer, so I just want to skip this question. For question number 102, a day is added when an individual crosses 180-degree longitude from west to east. So this one is the correct answer. So I'm just going to take this here because this is the correct answer. The next is 103. West Bengal shares boundaries with how many foreign countries? So correct answer is West Bengal shares boundaries with 3 countries. It's Nepal, Bhutan and Bangladesh. The next question is most abundant power resource occurs in. So correct answer is sedimentary rocks. So I'm just taking that up. The next question is in which one of the following regions the chemical weathering is more dominant than the mechanical process? So correct answer of this is limestone region. Most of you must be aware that in limestone region the chemical weathering is more dominant than the mechanical process. So now let's move to the next question here from 106 onward. Let me turn again into the comment mode so that I can tell you what are the right answers and mark those in the list as well. So the next question is minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India, and the correct answer for this one is 35 years. That's the correct answer. The next is on which days do the spring tides occur? And the correct answer is option number A. It occurs on new moon, first quarter of the moon, third quarter of the moon. These are the 3 times when generally spring tides occurs. And the next question is like the order of the layers of the atmosphere upward from the sea level. The correct answer here should be troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and thermosphere. But in the sequence if we'll check only the third option, troposphere and stratosphere, it's start from that. So there is a very high possibility that whoever has ticked option number C, that will be the correct one. Now moving to 109 onward. Okay. So the right answer of 109 doldrums are located between. So right answer is 0 degree to 5 degree north and south. So seems like whoever has ticked option number D will get it correct. The answer of 110, what is the name given to winds blowing from subtropical high pressure regions to equator? The right answer is A, westerlies. The next question is consider the following statement. Conventional rainfall occurs only in equatorial region. On the western margins of the continents in the middle and high latitude, the rainfall is highly cyclonic. The East Himalayan regions of India gets high rainfall from the southwest monsoons in summer. So right answer here for this question is 100. It's B. The next question is which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So the right answer of this is C. Let's put it in a done state and 113, yes, 113. So 113 says that rainfall in India is mainly cyclonic. In India mostly the rainfall is cyclonic. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So for 114 it's B. B is the right answer. Which one of the following is not a seaport? So option C is the correct answer here. Option C is the correct answer. Which one of the following countries not bordered with Bhutan? So the right answer is not bordered with Nepal. The right answer is Bhutan. Bhutan is not bordered with Nepal because we have Sikkim in between. The next question is which of the following is a military pact? So the right answer for this question is NATO. NATO is a military pact. The next question is which of the following pairs of the countries were superpower after Second World War? So the right answer for 118 is B, USA and USSR. USSR lately named as Russia after getting divided. The next question is nationalism, which emerged as a force in the late 19th century, means strong devotion for one's own country without appreciation for other nation. So the option number B is the right answer here. Next question is which of the following statements about the French revolutions are correct? So it's actually option number 2, but due to scanning it's not very proper, so I'm just trying ticking it up. Let's let's move forward. It was actually here, the option number B. It was here. Let me take 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the right answers. So option number B. B is the right answer here for 120. The next question is which of the following was the reason for calling of the non-cooperation movement by Gandhiji? It was Chauri Chaura incident, after which after some time of which Gandhiji immediately recalled the non-cooperation or revoked non-cooperation movement. The next is the minor planets revolving between the orbits of a Jupiter and Mars are called asteroids. And the next one is the year dash is called a great divide in the demographic history of India. So the right answer of this is 1921. 1921 is considered to be a great divide in the demographic history of India. Let's move forward to next questions. The question number 124 states that the standard of living in a country is represented by option number B. It's a per capita income. The next question here is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was adopted by UN on 10th December 1948. Which one of the following places is the headquarters of IMF International Monetary Fund? The right answer is Washington. Which of the following countries is not having veto power in the Security Council? The right answer is B, Canada. To increase our speed, let us just call out the number and the right answer. That will be a faster one. So for 128, the right answer is option number 1, the minorities of India. The for second question, next question 129, policy of a non-alignment was introduced by. The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. The next one is 130. The right answer for 130 is option number D. Next is 131, for which right answer is option number B. The next one is 132, for which right answer is A, house tax. And let's go to next set of questions, and here we start again. The right answer for 133 is D, all of the above. 134 I wasn't pretty sure, so I'm leaving it for the time being. The next question is 135, for which the right answer is C, political parties. The next question is 136, for which the right answer is C, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. Let's move forward from here. 137 onward. Let's try start doing quickly. For 137, the right answer is B, 1951. For 138, the right answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The next question is 139, for which the right answer is limited representation. The next question is 140, for which the right answer is the president. For 141, the right answer is option number B. Madhya Pradesh was the first state which implemented the Panchayat Raj system in India. For 142, the right answer is 1991. For 143, the right answer is C. It's a finance. For 144, the right answer is 1894. For 145, the right answer is subsistence agriculture. And let's move forward to last 5 questions here from 146 onward. Let me change it into comment mode and comment. And for 146, the right answer is C, jute. For 147, the right answer is D, World Trade Organization. For 148, the right answer is B, fixed deposit. For 149, the right answer is caveat emptor. And 150, the right answer is all goods and services. Thank you everyone. Keep on watching and following my channel for more update on a latest paper, solved paper of the exams. Thank you.